In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy channel link on Slack. If you need to share a Slack channel with a teammate, save it for later, or quickly direct someone to the right conversation, copying the channel link is a simple and useful skill. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. To begin, open Slack and go to the channel you want to share. In the sidebar, find the correct channel and click on it so that it opens in the main chat area. This is important because Slack needs you to be inside the specific channel before you can copy that channel's direct link. Make sure you've selected the right one, especially if your workspace has channels with similar names. Once the channel is open, look for the option labeled Copy. This will usually appear in the channel's top area or within the available channel options, depending on the version of Slack you're using. Go ahead and click on Copy. This opens the sharing related options for that channel and gets you one step closer to grabbing the exact link you need. After that, click on Copy Link. As soon as you do, Slack will copy the channel URL to your clipboard. That means the link is now ready to paste anywhere you want, like a message, an email draft, a document, or another Slack conversation. If you want to test that it worked, you can paste it into a text field and confirm that the link appears. A helpful tip here is to remember that anyone you send the link to may still need permission to access the channel. If it's a private channel, only approved members will be able to open it. If it's a public channel, people in the same workspace can usually access it more easily. So if someone says the link isn't working, it may be a permissions issue rather than a problem with the link itself. And that's all there is to it. Open the channel, click copy, and then click copy link. It's a fast way to share the exact Slack channel someone needs without asking them to search for it manually. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to copy a channel link on Slack.